Hi, my fellow YouTubers, my subscribers, my honorable students, honorable compatriots. This is Teacher Patty. Now we're finishing up on the examples, explanation of assets, equity, income, liabilities, you name them all. So now we're tackling the last part, which is equity. So what is equity? It's equal to the amount of funds available to owners or shareholders after assets have been netted off to business debt. So this is where we say um, your assets minus liability equals to owner's equity. So what are the examples of owner's equity? It's retained earnings. So this is the long list of accumulated losses and surpluses ever since the company existed to the current year. So if the company was opened 30 years ago, those are profits and losses coming from way back. Now, somebody would ask themselves, then why are we not using the money? Sometimes, let me correct you, if it's not in a sense of a charitable organization that functions on cash only, even a church that functions on cash only, you cannot assume that the retained earnings is money readily available. It can be accounting entries, not really money. So it depends on the type of the organization you are operating. The second one is net profit or loss. So this is at the end of the year when the company has been assessed in terms of performance. Did it make profit or loss? This is that. Capital or additional pay in capital. This is where the owner, in terms of a sole proprietor, gives capital, and then there's a need for another cash injection, then they give another capital. This is in that sense. Then the dividends paid and recommended. This is your interim dividends and your final dividends. So they always reduce equity. And then owner's capital, because we're distributing what is due to shareholders. Then owner's capital contribution, we've already mentioned that. And ordinary share capital, this is the issue of shares to the public for subscription. Do subscribe, share this with your neighbors, your friends, your schoolmates, your principals, your teachers. Share this content, it's free. If you need to communicate with me, here are my communication details. Send me an email or WhatsApp. I've disabled comments because I won't have time to what is it to respond in real time because I'm a full-time teacher. So the time I will have is usually to return to respond to emails sent privately in the afternoons or at night. So thank you so much.